Hey everybody, Pack the Ripper here. Going to do a 2-box of Topps 5-star break. Got these at Triple Play Treasure in Kingwood, Texas. If you're in the Houston area, check that store out. They got a lot of good stuff. Let's start ripping. These are pretty nice cards. I've seen a few already. I opened 2 boxes already, but I really didn't get much, so we'll try 2 more and see how it goes. Nice little box they come in. I like the foil wrapper. Let's see what we get. First card is a Blake Snell gold autograph, numbered to 30, numbered 28 out of 30. And the next card is a Tommy Pham base. So that's the first 2 cards, first box. Let's try the second box, see if I have any better luck. Nothing to get too excited about in that one. Be nice to pull something good here. Let's see what we get. These boxes cost about $150 a piece. I get $150 worth of cards. Okay, the first autograph is going to be a Luis Severino of the Yankees. That is numbered to 10 out of 25. Luis Severino. The next one is a Dakota Hudson base, not numbered. So there you have it for the Topps 5-star. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the product. To me, I think it's a little overpriced for 2 cards. I don't think you get a whole lot for the money. The other 2 boxes, I think all I got, the only good card I got was a Kikuchi from Seattle. I think it was a silver signature numbered I want to say it was numbered to 25 too, but I can't remember. No, it wasn't numbered 25. Maybe it went numbered to 50. Can't remember what was number 2. But anyway, like I said, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a like. Till the next, got a wax box of 1997 Topps, or 1987 Topps, my bad, that I'm going to break here later. So check that video out as well, and till the next break, later.